All right, here we are, and I'm probably not the only one thinking about the beach with a little bit of warm weather, but 405 Ocean Ave won't disclose the exact address as of yet, but here we are. So the views of the beach are essentially able to be seen right from the corner of this unit. So not beachfront, but it is very, very close, just a short little walk, and we're going to show you everything. So this is situated in North Wildwood. And there is the building. It has a heated pool. Had the pleasure of speaking to quite a few people there. And some were down there early for Irish weekend. So you will hear some of the noise in the background. I do apologize for that. But that's what people do at the beach, have fun. So here we are, just flying all around. In these shots, I'm only really showing you, certain parts of North Wildwood. And then in between a couple of the other videos, you will see flying around for the amusements, and we actually snuck in some night shots there. So, wow, yeah, this is my first time actually flying down there, but here's the building itself. You'll see the close proximity to the beach, and that beach right up there in the right-hand corner is actually one where you can drive on with your vehicle. So definitely a unique situation there. And I thought it was quite nice. So just going to fly around here, show you a few more angles. There you go. I wanted to point that out. So that's not exactly in the right location, but that gives you a sense. And look at this. I got to do some time lapse or fly over the water because some of these sites are, amazing. Here we go with a little bit of night action, as I told you, flying over the amusements. And yeah, just sit back and enjoy that for a little bit. Then I'm going to bring you back to the actual condo unit and condo complex, and we are going to fly into that. And if I'm not mistaken, I think we're going to fly very, very close to the actual room. So that is that's a nice shot. And then we're going to get you inside. So here we are, just bringing you down to the pool, and here we go.
Here, show you the pool. Have some people congregating for Irish weekend. So there's the pool. And then take this in. So clearly it's the one outside that is decorated. There you are. We'll go in and then take a look at that. Here we go. Take that in. So really a very nice kitchen. You can see the backsplash, the TV. And let me just back you up around here and show you. Look at the size of that. Beautiful. So you really do have a dining area, a living area, and a kitchen, all combination space here. And let me spin around one more time and show that for you. That is the best view. Now you're gonna have a pantry or a coat closet right here. I will pop that open momentarily. And 2 beds in here, each of which are queen beds. Let me just spin you around so you can see what we got going on here. There is a closet right behind there. And here is the bathroom. So there you go. We're actually gonna go in. I'll show you. I have some storage stuff in there, but it is tiled. Just so you can see the bathroom. Pull you around and not get you dizzy and show you the bedroom from here. So there you are. Take you here. And again, look at that view. Unbelievable. There you go. All right, we're gonna add some more drone footage right now. right? We're gonna go in from this angle. We already have people interested in buying it. That's what I get for coming down here on Irish weekend. All right, so take that in. All right, so here it is. So you have your dining area, obviously your living area, and let me spin around gingerly. And you have your kitchen. So basically a water view on the side. We do have a bedroom here with 2 queen beds. Quite sizable. Pardon the noise outside. Take that in. There you go. So closet, TV. Here is the bathroom. We'll back you out. And as always, we're going to add in a fair amount of drone footage. And we do have the 3D tour also. And take in that view. I really do say take in a lot, but honestly, I still love looking at houses. All right. So a 4-seater here. This table would fold out. Even more room. There you are. We're just going to walk outside, show you the pool briefly, and we'll show you some more downstairs. There you are. You just spin around. Nice little area there. All right, just want to show you the balcony here. I'll walk around and show you that pool. Let me spin you around, bring you down, and there it is. So it's the one with the open door, 303. Take that in. All right, just gonna show you a little bit more of the video walking out. There's the pool. We're gonna say bye. Let's show you the view over here. We got the sun. Look at that view. There's the pool. Spin around, we'll show you the front. And there we are.